Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Shut down, disconnect power, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap so you don't damage components. Once done, power the machine momentarily to hear beeps, then power off again. This lets you confirm the pattern. Make sure to write down the beep count and timing. That pattern tells you which subsystem failed. Open the case carefully, using a flashlight to inspect for loose cables, disconnected RAM, or dust that can cause short circuits. You'll now focus on the common culprits, RAM and connectors. Remove modules, touch a grounded metal surface, then reinstall each stick firmly until clips click. Test one module at a time to isolate a bad stick. Next, ensure the GPU and CPU cooler are fully seated and that 4/8-pin CPU and 24-pin motherboard power connectors are snug. While the case is open, blow compressed air into heat sinks and slots to remove dust. Because overheating or shorts, you're at the finish line. Reassemble minimal components, motherboard, CPU, one RAM stick, GPU if required, then reconnect power and boot. If it starts, add parts back one at a time to find the offender. If it still beeps, compare the recorded beep pattern to the motherboard manual for a precise fault code. This tells you whether it's RAM, GPU, BIOS, or CPU. If replacement parts aren't available, contact a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.